Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. And also, do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you will see the link to our Telegram. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. They are putting out some updates that will be useful for you in trading. Now let's take a look at this gold. I literally did analysis on gold last week, right? I told you guys that our next movement on gold will definitely come to a level of 1946. So if you've not watched it, you can go there to watch it. I mean, if you have been following this channel consistently, you have been following us back to back, you would have seen how we've predicted this move by move, right? We literally predicted every move. At first, we were actually trading when did this level. Our prediction was that first of all, gold will drop to a level of 1810. That was that was our target, right? What happened? Gold dropped, and guess what? It hit a level of 1810. After that, I literally told you guys that there will be a massive bullish move that will be playing out, that you definitely should watch out for it, right? Guess what happened again? Gold eventually gave us that massive bullish move. Now, last week I did analysis on gold. I told you guys the situation of things, right? About the US war, the war between Israel and Gaza, right? I told you the fundamental aspect of it. The reason is that gold is a safe haven asset, right? Because of this, situation that war might be happening, gold will definitely give us more bullish move, right? And guess what? Gold eventually came and gave us that bullish move. Came to a level of 1946. Guess what happened? It even broke above it, and now we are currently trading at a level of 1981. You can also see that gold has now literally given us that movement as we've predicted. Now for this week, right now, we will still be expecting another bullish move on gold. Like I said, if eventually this Israel and Gaza war happens this week, I mean, there are a lot of rumors that it might happen this week that we are predicting for. It might happen next week or next 3 weeks. Between now to next 3 weeks, within this time frame that we're looking at, the war will happen. Then I can assure you that gold will get more bullish move. I mean, when you take a look at your safe haven assets, you take a look at your safe haven asset like the dollar. Dollar is a safe haven asset. You take a look at your gold. Gold is literally a safe haven asset. You take a look at your Swiss franc, which is also a safe haven asset. You see that there are some bullish move on this, like your dollar. There is a bullish move on dollar. You can see gold. You can see gold is giving us a bullish move. Even Swiss franc itself is kind of giving us a giving us fair movement to the upside, right? So these are safe haven assets. So if that war eventually happen, many of these assets will start flying, and I can assure you that gold will start flying. So with what I'm seeing right now, with the trend of gold, you can clearly see that this trend on gold is a bullish move. You clearly can see that this is an uptrend move. This is a bullish move. Coupled with this our fundamental analysis, when you put in the fundamental aspects, you will see that there will be more buys on gold. So basically, our buys is still to the outside. So we'll be expecting more bullish move on gold. But first of all, a pullback is very much likely to play out, which might drop, which I will not be expecting much movement to the downside. Just a pullback, and guess what? We will continue the movement to the upside. So gold is still bullish this week. Now let's see this movement, right? We clearly can see that gold is currently at a strong level, 1981. You can see that this is a strong resistance level. That is why I'm saying that price needs to give us a pullback. We all know that gold move from key levels to key levels. I mean, when gold gets to a key level, expect a reaction at that level. Trust me, there will be a reaction at that level. So, like I said, I am still projecting a buy movement. My bias is still to the upside. I'm still expecting more movement to the upside on gold. But because we are currently at a major level, we can see this is the major resistance level, especially on the daily time frame. We are currently at this level. So definitely it should not be of a surprise that gold will start dropping. We give us good amount of drop, and possibly we can now continue the movement to the upside. Now, if you take a look at something, let me see if I can draw a trend line. Let me see. I mean, because I literally drew it previously. I saw it. Okay, this is our trend line, right? So if you have to follow this trend, still a confirmation that now that this is a pullback, right? Came to tap this our trend. then there's a new higher high. So what do you expect? An higher low needs to play out. So that's still a confirmation that gold will drop again before it goes bullish. So expect a drop on gold, then you can now continue the movement to the upside. That is what I'm expecting on gold this week. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.